at one of my old job sites from about 6 years ago, and this was a Panasonic ECO I installation. I believe this was a 6-ton unit. We're actually removing the unit to move to a new location. This owner of this system that we put in has sold the business, and it replaced hands, and then now it's a second time it's moving to a new owner. And so this is the old Panasonic ECO I system. A good system. It's been reliable. The only problem is it's too bad that the company had some really bad issues on delivering product. I could say none of my jobs came undamaged product and had to be reordered and then told 8 weeks, 10 weeks every time we had to order something. So this is the model number. The 72 is the size, so this is one of the 6-ton units. It's divided up between 3 air handlers inside, and we're about to do the recovery on the piping system, and then it'll be packed up and shipped to the new location. And this has been in operation for about the last 6 years, non-stop, 24/7 with no breaks. And here's one air handler, and here's the piping system. So this is a one pipe system going all the way down to all the rooms. And just like water, for those who you're not used to this type of system, you're used to mini splits where you have one pipe on the outdoor unit going to one air handler. In this situation, you have one pipe going to all the individual indoor air handlers, and there's no distributor box. So you just have a T-pipe right here that branches off and drops down into the unit below. And then as you come this way, and another T-pipe branches off and drops down into the unit below. And then it continues. And this was the last one for the last room. And this was a cannabis facility. And then you have your ball valves, so you can isolate all your different rooms. You can turn them on, and if you had to service, you would develop the leak, or for some reason you want to upgrade it or change your head, you just isolate them at the ball valves, and you just recover the refrigerant out of the short piece of line that's about 2 feet long. Perform your service, plug it back in, and you only have to evacuate, nitrogen purge your new unit while the old system is isolated, and then you open up the ball valves and you're off and running. You don't nothing complicated.